What's up everyone, Arif here. I'm going to show you today how you can filter out audio from your Discord, from Skype, from Zoom, even from your own browser, and use that so it doesn't come through on your live stream to Twitch or whatever. And this is great for a number of reasons: privacy, if you have friends that you just don't want being heard, or you're trying to keep your stream like G-rated with R-rated friends. This is a great way to do things. We're going to be doing it with VB Audio software for this particular video today. Now, VB Audio software is donationware, as in you get to download it for free. And if you like it, you can buy it. Just pay the $5. It's worth it. Don't be that guy. Free is free, but just pay the $5. Okay? So simple as that. Now, once you have purchased your software, or at least downloaded it, you're going to want to unzip the file, and from unzipping here, you're going to want to run this installation package. Now you can see we get an installation error. Run it as admin, so let's do that. Right click, go run as admin, and then once it's installed, you're going to want to restart your computer. Okay, and now that we've restarted the computer, let's come back and let's start by going down to our speaker icon, and we want to go to open sound settings. And then we want to go to sound control panel. Now, once this panel opens, you will see under the playback, you have all the cables here that you installed. I installed all of them. And then under recording, you have all your output cables. So input under playback, output under recording. And now let's actually get this thing configured so we can filter out our Discord channel. Now to do this, we're going to use our cable A. And I just do this for the sake of easiness. Let's right click and go to properties, and under listen, you're going to want to check listen to this device, and then pick where you want the sound to be routed to for you to be able to hear it. So in this instance, I'm going to route it to my 2i2 interface, which is my headphones. This way I can hear my Discord and you guys won't. So we'll click OK, and then just click OK again to close that. And now we're going to bring our Discord over. Don't mind the picture of the big juicy steaks. And let's go to user settings. And then we're going to go to voice in video. And under our output device, we're going to pick cable A. So once we've picked cable A, everything is going to be routed through Discord, through cable A to my 2i2 interface. But that on its own is not going to filter out your audio from your OBS. And you'll see here, and once again, don't mind the infinity screen. If we open our settings and we go to audio, let me just blow this up for you. You can see here I have my desktop output audio is my 2i2 speakers. So that means anything from the 2i2 is going to come through. So to filter this now, we're going to pick cable D. And that's only because it's the next one in the line. So now cable A, I can hear. Cable D is what OBS is going to hear. So anything I have routing through cable D will come through, but not cable A. Okay, it might sound very complex. It's really not. And it's really just that simple. So just any audio you want to have routed to you, but not to your stream, route it through cable A. And then everything else route it through cable D, and you'll be done, or cable B or C or whatever. And that's it. That's all you have to do to create a filter system for your stream. So that way you can block out your friends or any kind of like really bad sounds that you have coming through. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name has been Arif. Remember, hit the subscribe button. We're trying to get to 1,000 subs on this channel. We're at 900 and some change. You guys are absolutely killing it. And I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye.